Ready to transform your chaotic law firm into a lean, mean, legal machine? Let's dive into Practicepanther. First, head to Practicepanther's website and log in using your credentials. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. Think of this as your firm's mission control here. You see a snapshot of your day, upcoming events, and key performance indicators. Next, let's add a client. Click on the Contacts tab on the left-hand side, then click the Add Contact button. Enter all the relevant information like name, email, and phone number. Practicepanther securely stores all your client data in one place. Now, let's create a matter. For this client, go to the Matters tab and click Add Matter. Choose the client we just created. Add a matter description and set the matter type. You can also assign responsible attorneys and connect related contacts like opposing counsel. Time is money. Start tracking your billable hours using the timer located at the top right corner of the screen. Click Start to begin and stop when you're done. Alternatively, you can manually enter time entries under the Time Expenses tab. Finally, let's get paid. Navigate to the Billing tab. Select the matter, add the time entries and expenses you want to bill. Then click Generate Invoice. You can customize the invoice template to match your firm's branding. Send the invoice directly to your client through Practicepanther and track payments. Practicepanther also provides reporting capabilities. Click on the Reports tab to view several different reports to track where your firm is making money and where it needs improvement.